Good morning. This is Oshin from Godrej UNS. Most of you are bored staying at home and wish to do some fun activity that will transform your home decor. Here are some tips to judge up your place keeping a theme in mind. Before we go ahead, here is a concept that will help you change your design space whenever you like. There are constants and variables in designing. Constants are elements that are difficult, costly, or not practical to change every 2 years, like your home furniture, upholstery of sofa, and wall color. Variables are elements that can be altered as per your moods, travel journeys, and your craving for transforming your space. Variables are easier to change and inexpensive, like wallpaper, decals, accessories, lighting components, soft furnishings like rugs, cushions, curtains. By smartly designing your constants the first time, you can change your variables and play around with themes. So let's begin. The first theme is Scandinavian. It is defined by minimalism, simplicity, and functionality. Natural light and clutter-free space plays an important role in this theme. The less is more mantra must be followed. The furniture is in lighter tones of browns, while the wall color is either completely white or in neutrals. For upholstery, you can play with pastel palettes. You can also add drama with mustard, fuchsia, or sea green color. If you wish to achieve this theme at home, you can easily make such wall paintings. Paint your cushion covers and vases. Remember to keep the palette neutral or play with black and white. You don't need to be an art expert, involve your kids. It's as simple as it looks. Are you a gardening enthusiast? This theme is apt for you. Because of the overall neutral palette, greens add an interesting element. Use jute twine to decorate your pots. Make hanging shelves. Ensure you keep your plants healthy and green. Cane rattan chandeliers add a connection to nature, which is an important characteristic of this theme. You can also make such light fixtures at home. If not, you can also use fairy lights to add a unique element to the decor. If you love DIY, you will enjoy this bit. Find an empty wall and paint it. You can use stencil or go freehand. Remember, use neutral tones or black and white color. Get those white ceramic plates that you never used out of the cupboard. Paint it, hang it on the wall. Have an unused belt? DIY this book hanger. Love embroidery? Take a ring, DIY this quirky art. The list is endless. This is how you incorporate the simplicity, beauty, and functionality of a Scandinavian interior design. Our next theme is Indian Classical. Indian Classical is the most fun theme, especially if you enjoy bright colors. You can blend the exotic charm of this theme with modern furniture, giving it a classy and edgy look. The furniture is designed in warm tones in this theme. Keep the overall wall color in neutrals or earthy tones with an accent wall either in paint or wallpaper. For upholstery, you can play with patterns, prints in bold shades. I'm pretty sure every woman in India has heaps of folded sarees in the cupboard which have never been touched or worn. Well, now is the time to rummage and find that beautiful saree with patterns, zari work, or block print. You can frame these and showcase your saree collection. Filmy enthusiasts can bring quirky posters of their favorite movie and hang them on the wall. If you have an unused metal statue, you can exhibit them with elegance by framing them. You can make your curtains and blinds interesting by using saris or dupattas. Use your unused metal jewelry as curtain tie to add that exotic element. All upholstered element in your house can be revamped. Maybe your cushions, buffets, blankets to coasters. All you need is to find spare clothes that you are never going to use. Find an empty wall that needs some love. This mandala design will add a charm to your room. Paint your glass collards and shot glasses, which can be your makeshift diyas. Love henna art depicted on mason jars. Why should you showcase your traditional lamps only during Diwali? Use it as an accessory in your decor. This is how you can incorporate the boldness, warmth, and beauty of an Indian classical theme. Our next theme is Art Deco. Art Deco is all about boldness and opulence. Deco is elegant, functional, modern. The furniture has rich warm tones with metallic accents and glossy or reflective finishes. Lighter color walls create a sense of brightness, neutralize the high shine metal detail. For upholstery, you can play with geometric patterns and abstract prints in bold shades, with rich velvet finish fabric. Art Deco is all about bold colors, zigzag, chevrons, step patterns. You can create paintings using these elements. If you have spare fabric, create an art by cutting them in abstract shapes and hang it on the wall. You can also use various filters available to create Art Deco inspired effect and make portraits. Repaint your old wall clock using bright bold colors and patterns to add to your decor. To add an Art Deco charm to your room, paint your walls with geometric patterns. Remember to use bold colors. Accessorize your art deco space using mirrors with metallic frames. Add vase in golden tones, lacquered finish, or tinted glass. DIY coaster tray cushion covers using geometric patterns and bold colors. This is how you can incorporate the luxury, elegance, and boldness of an art deco theme interior design. These are just a few of many themes for your home interiors. Hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you.